Hello my people, how are you doing? Hoping you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Frida, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my recipes. So guys, today I bring for you the best oven baked chicken thighs, which is so tasty and very easy to make. You can make it when you have no time. It is just simple. You put everything together and throw it in the oven, and within no time it is ready and smells so nice. So guys, before I show you how it is made, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please support me by subscribing and give my video a like if you enjoy. And again, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified on my new videos. So guys, let's begin. So first, I've cleaned my chicken. It is clean. I've cleaned it with lemon and salt. If you notice that there is some feathers, you can still remove them. My chicken thighs are clean enough. And what I'll be doing, the first thing I'll be doing is to arrange them in the chopping board, and I'm going to pat them dry. I just need these chicken thighs to be as dry as possible. So I'll just remove the excess water so that I can make them dry. Yes, at this point they are ready, and the next step, I'll place my chicken thighs in a bowl. And guys, at this point I'll be seasoning these chicken thighs. So I will start by adding salt, cumin powder, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, and then I will finish up by adding some oil. You can add vegetable oil, you can add butter, you can add olive oil, just any type of oil you're having at home at that particular time. You don't need to stress, oh, I want to put this type of, just any type of oil you're having, or any type of oil you wish to use at that particular moment. So at this point, I'll rub in all this seasoning into the chicken thighs. Just make sure every part of the chicken thighs is well covered with this marinade. And guys, again, as usual, the measurement of all the ingredients which I've used today, I'll link it in the description box down below, so you'll check. Alright, now this chicken thighs is well covered with that marinade, and now I'll just cover it with cling film and place it in my refrigerator and let it stay there for just an hour or so. If you have time, you can just prepare this the other day and let it stay until when it is ready. So after an hour, my chicken thighs is well marinated, and now I'll just uncover my chicken thighs and I'm going to place them in my baking tray. Just arrange them there very well. Like this. So these chicken thighs are ready, and I'm going to be placing them in my oven and let them cook. And after 20 minutes of cooking, I'll just go in the oven and turn them. So that they can cook well on the other side. I'm using 180 degrees. You see, they look so nice, smelling so good. So guys, at this step, I'll use a foil and cover these chicken thighs. And what I'll do, I will cook for more 20 minutes, and then these chicken thighs will be ready. After 20 minutes, I will open my oven again, and what I'm going to do is basting, reintroducing these chicken juices back to the chicken thighs again. This one enhances the taste of these chicken thighs, and hey, they are just smelling nice and they are going to taste so great. Just look at these juices. This is so amazing. After that guys, I let the chicken thighs back in the oven and cook just for 2 minutes. And ta-da! After 2 minutes, these chicken thighs are ready. They are looking so good, and I am very sure they are going to taste as good as they look. Look at this. This is so nice guys. So at this point, I'll just cut these chicken thighs and show you how nicely they are cooked. They are soft and tender and so juicy, as you can see, not dry at all. So guys, you can serve these chicken thighs with fries, with ugali, with rice. I served mine with chapati because I love chapatis, and it was so nice as it looks. So at this point, hoping you have learned one thing or two and you're going to try this amazing recipe. If you try, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know how yours turned out. Look at that. Mine was so amazingly delicious. So subscribe if you're new, like, share this recipe, and enjoy your cooking. Bye.